Thinking of moving in Raleigh? Don't waste weeks fixing up your home. Most sellers believe they need to repair, repaint, or even stage before listing. The truth? You don't. With our cash offer program, you sell your home as is, no repairs, no cleaning, and no waiting for the perfect buyer. Plus, with our sold zero commission program, you'll keep thousands more in your pocket when you buy your next home. I'm 𝐓𝐡𝐢𝐧𝐤𝐢𝐧𝐠, proudly affiliated with 𝐓𝐡𝐢𝐧𝐤𝐢𝐧𝐠 Real Estate, brokered by LPT Realty. DM Cash today to see how quickly we can get your Raleigh home sold.